Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be putting together some Baiganee. This recipe is super simple, very delicious, crispy on the outside, and you can put it together in no time. First thing that we're going to do is start off in a bowl, and I'm adding in my ground split peas. Now these are split peas that I soaked overnight, and after I soaked them, I rinsed off the liquid, and then I went ahead and I ground them in my food processor until they were nice and smooth, such as this. I only used a little bit of water to grind them. Once you get all of your ground dal into the bowl, you're going to go ahead and add in a little bit of baking powder just to give it a little bit of fluffiness and to make the batter lighter. And at this point, we're going to be going in with some salt to taste. And I'm also going to be going in with some grind up seasoning. Now this seasoning consists of a lot of garlic, a lot of hot pepper. I added in some pimento peppers for some flavor. And I also added in lots of culantro and some green onion or scallions. I'm also going to be going in with some grind dye or turmeric, and I'm going to go ahead and mix this all together until everything is well combined. So I think that the color needs to be a little bit more yellow after mixing, so I added in a little bit more turmeric, and at this point I'm going to add in my flour. And as you can see, when I make my Baiganee or my pulori this way, I do not use a lot of flour because you really want that dal to be mostly in there. And the less flour that you add, the crispier your Baiganee will be. And I'll also let you know this is why you do not want to grind the dal with too much water. At this point, I'm going to start to slice my baigan. So I'm using the Japanese eggplants today, and I'm slicing them up to about 1/4 of an inch thickness, and I'm slicing them on an angle. The reason why I'm doing this is just for better presentation, and so this way it's nice and big and it'll get nice and crispy on the outside. So I wanted to let you know you could mix this dough and you can let it sit in the fridge overnight until the next day, or you can use it right away. Just because I was recording and I didn't make it that same day, I went ahead and I left it in the fridge to sit overnight. So at this point, I'm going to start to paste the batter all over my eggplants, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it in the oil to fry. Now I'm using canola oil and I have it on a medium heat, and you need it on a medium heat so this way it cooks the baigan or the belange on the inside, and so this way it cooks that dal mixture on the outside as well. So I'm going to keep on pasting it, and all you need to do is take a little handful and keep on running it around the top of the eggplant. And then you carefully flip it, holding it in between two of your fingers, and you do the same on the other side. And of course, once you get it properly pasted, you're going to go ahead and put it into that hot oil. And once you get all of those eggplant pieces in the hot oil, you're going to go ahead and let them fry for about 2 minutes on each side, maybe a little longer, maybe a little less, depending on how thick you cut the eggplant pieces. And you're just going to let them cook until they're golden brown. After about that 2 minutes, you're going to see that they're golden brown, and I'm flipping them, but some of them need a little bit more time. So at this point, my first batch of Baiganee is all done. As you all can see, it is nice and golden brown, exactly how we want it. And I can feel when I'm pressing on it with the tongs a little bit that it's nice and soft on the inside. And I really like using this Japanese eggplant versus the large eggplant from the grocery store, because you get these nice small pieces that you can share with family and friends, or if you're having like a party or get together, everybody can get a nice small piece if they wish. And at this point, you're just going to go ahead and keep on frying out the rest of those baigan pieces until all of your batter and all of your eggplant is done. For this amount of batter, I used about 3 of these small Japanese eggplants. So once you finish getting all of these fried, they are best served hot. So you're going to go ahead and just plate them up and serve them. I'm serving them with some tamarind sauce or tamarind sour today. If you wanted to serve it with mango sour, you can do that as well. You can even serve this with achar or many other different Guyanese condiments. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe today. Please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you're subscribed yet, so this way you don't miss out on any of the newest videos that I have coming on my channel. And of course, go ahead and drop those comments down below and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay tuned for next week on my channel for when Navratri starts, because I will have a new video series lined up for you guys starting next week. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys again very soon. Bye everyone.